The Lives of the Saints by Butler. May 4th. Saint Godehard, Bishop of Hildesheim, confessor. He was a native of Bavaria, and abbot of Abbot in that country, and reformed likewise the abbeys of Hirschfeld in Hesse of Turgensee, in the diocese of Freisinghen, and of Kremsmünster, in that of Passau. In 1021, the episcopal chair of Hildesheim falling vacant by the death of St. Bernard, St. Godehard was compelled by St. Henry to take upon him that pastoral charge. The relief of the poor, both spiritual and temporal, was everywhere the first object of his attention. He died on the 4th of May, 1038, and was canonized by Innocent II in 1131. Many places in Germany acknowledge him patron, and several bear his name. See his life by Wolfert, his disciple, in Heinsius, and in Babylon, and more at large, with long histories of miracles, among the writers of the history of the most illustrious house of Brunswick-Hanover. Several very devout epistles of St. Godard, or Godehard, are given us by Dom Pez in his Codex Diplomatico Historico Epistolarius.